In this video, we'll discuss what happens on the day of installation. You will be greeted by the team leader. Normally, it takes 15 minutes or so to review the installation materials to confirm the correct product, style gate, and any other options. You and the team leader will walk around your property in order to discuss the installation details. The location of any gates will be identified, as well as how and in which direction they should swing. Special care will be taken to respect your property and minimize the impact to your lawn and landscaping. The installation crew is trained to specifically meet and exceed your expectations. They are professionals who know and understand the safe use of their tools and equipment. The crew has experience. They will provide you with an expert installation. Should you make any changes to your fence or gates during the installation, a change order is needed to be signed and approved. Upon completion, we will place a peerless placard on your fence, as well as a sign in your yard. Once the team has finished their work and cleaned up the job site, the team lead member will show you the completed installation. You will be shown any special features such as gates and how they work. When you provide acceptance of the installation, you will sign the completion form. If paying by check, provide one for the remaining amount due. If you're paying by credit card, you will need to contact us to complete the transaction. Relax and enjoy your new fence, knowing that our labor and material warranty programs offer worry-free protection.